You might have seen people creating this effect in Illustrator, and they are doing that by applying two offset path effects. Like in the appearance panel, you see two of these offset path effects. So the question might be, why are people doing it this way? Hi, and welcome to the Vector Garden. And in this video, we are going to talk about what the alternative would be and why it doesn't work. And I'm going to use a different example. We're going to create this. So let's start with some text. And then let's have that in black. And I'm going to hide the contextual toolbar. Now let's apply this appearance. I'm going to enlarge this. And then to get this, what you're doing, you apply another fill like this. Move that below the characters. And then we get to those effects. So first of all, we are going to offset path and enlarge that like so. And the next thing in this case is we need to unite all of them, which you do not need to do with this one because this one is a compound shape. I could do that with the text as well, but I don't, so I have to use a Pathfinder effect. So let's go to Effect, Pathfinder, and add like this. And now you would think, well, okay, to get these rounded, how about using the round corner effect, right? We have that in Illustrator. We can just go to Effect, Stylize, and then round the corners, like so. But you see, this fails miserably. So what we've got here is this. That's not nice at all. Issues with the round corners effect can be fixed somehow. So if you go here and then introduce another distort effect, roughen, set this here to 0. Let's see if I need to select that object, of course. So let's do that again. And let's go to roughen and set this to 0 here. And I'm going to OK first. And then we are going to move that here. And then we can introduce a lot of points. And you see this somehow solves the issue with the round corners effect. So it can be solved in some cases, but it doesn't work in all. So that's the reason why we're going to use another offset path effect. So let's delete these two, or rather, let's make a copy and then delete them. And let's go in here. So you see they are corners again. Let's go here and let's apply that second offset path effect. Like so. We need to OK that, set this to round, and then reduce this. So it needs to be smaller than what we first expanded. It needs to be undone. And if you need this in the end to be larger, then you have to go into the first one and make it larger there, like this. And this is why you need the two offset path effects, because the round corners effect does not work as expected.